Hello everyone. This is a demonstrative video of our project Pocket Fashionista, which is a complexion based outfit color advisor using neural networks. Our project guide is Professor Rita Koshi and the group members are Anisha Gharat, Tejashri Vak and Siddesh Sunavne. Whenever we go shopping, either be it a store or be it online, we do follow the ongoing trend of being a fashion enthusiast. But there is always a case where we get the perfect t shirt with the perfect color but can't match the pants with that color. Or the cloth color does not match your complexion but it did match the model skin tone when we buy online. Or we just need to change our wardrobe but are confused with selecting the suitable color combinations which matches with the user's looks and skin type. So the solution to this is an algorithm which recommends to the user a list of color combinations according to the user's skin tones. It can be a personal fashion advisor on the basis of user's complexion. The face detection algorithm will detect the skin color of the user. Algorithms will match the skin color and recommend the best possible color combinations for the top and the bottom combined. The system can also suggest the best color combinations according to the weather. We also have a virtual trial room where after suggesting the color combinations, it will display the t-shirt and the pant of the recommended color on the user's body. And the system also provides similar outfit recommendations as per the input outfit by the user. Let's look into the implementation.
Hello, I'm Tejashri Vag. Our project is Pocket Fashionista, a complexion-based outfit color advisor using neural network. So I'm going to show you the first model, that is uh, skin tone classification and outfit color recommendation based on skin tone. So first we are going to classify the skin tone into particular Indian skin tone. So here we use two color space. First is HSV and second is YCBCR color space. By using this color space, we analyze the skin image pixel, and based on that, we uh, define some threshold value and getting the image pixel of the skin, and by then we give the appropriate threshold value and classify the specific skin tone. So first user need to upload the his or her picture. Let's say here our user upload the picture. I took the male picture because outfit recommendation I use the male dataset. So let's say I upload this picture. This picture will be processed and we get the right skin tone that present in that image. So we know this image, the male has fair skin, so we get the fair skin tone, and then we will recommend the outfits that is appropriate or suitable for that skin tone. So here we can see this is the skin tone classification module, and we will see the color. So here, and then this skin tone passed to the outfit color recommendation module. So outfit is we studied appropriate color to the particular skin tone from some fashion blogs, and by studying that we assign the appropriate outfit colors to a particular skin tone. So here we took classify the skin tone into 5 different skin tone. The first is fair, then whitish, then medium brown, brown, and dark brown. So these 5 skin tone we took and classify the skin in this different skin tone. Then we recommend let's say we first see run this model. Here the fair skin is passed, and we will see. Outfit is dynamic, so user get the dynamic colors formal shirts. So we can see here user will get these colors, and then user will choose according what he like actually. Every time user run, he will get the different set. So it's quite dynamic. Randomly picking the images from the data sets. So this is how our first module works.
Now let us see the demo of a virtual trial room that we have built using the OpenCV library in Python. Initially, the user's live video stream is captured using the OpenCV functions. Once the video is visible, the user is detected in the video using object detection techniques. Then Hawk circles are used to determine the exact location and area of the user in the frame. Based on the user's dimensions, the clothes are resized to be fit on his body. As we can see, this is a jacket which is getting fitted on the user's body. Now let us try out some other outfit that we can see and visualize on the user's body. So this is another dress which can be visualized on the user's body. Likewise, we can visualize various recommended dresses from the other recommendation modules using the virtual try-on module. The user has been given the option of previous and next to select between the clothes that he or she wants to visualize. Also, he can take a screenshot of the visualized clothes on his body using the virtual trial room. Now let us see a demo of similar outfit recommendations for a particular outfit image. Here we are using a dataset which has 8,792 outfit images which are present in the form of image URLs. These images also have descriptions attached to them. We are using these description values for finding the similarity indexes between the outfits. Here we are using VGG16, which is a pre-trained CNN model for image classification and prediction. Now we are taking around 2000 images from the dataset for training our model. Here we are taking just 200 images for the experimentation purpose. After that, we are extracting the features from the images with the help of the description that is provided in the dataset, and then we are predicting the images. After this, we are just plotting a simple plot of 200 images of the outfits that are present in the dataset. This is in the form of a scatter plot. Now, we are recommending the most similar products to a particular outfit image that is chosen by the user. For that, we are calculating the similarity index using the cosine similarity function. In that, we are computing the similarity index of the other outfits in the dataset with the original outfit that has been selected by the user. Here we can see the first image is the original image, which is passed by the user. Then the model is recommending 5 other different outfits that are similar to that particular image. These outfits are similar in styles and different in colors and patterns. Similarly, we can see the other dresses also, which are recommended as per the user's choice of clothes. We have also computed the similarity index of each of the dress with the original dress, and we have ranked the similar dresses as per their highest similarity index values. Here are some other similar recommendations for other different clothes that we have done. Now let us see a demo of the weather-oriented outfit recommendations. These recommendations are based on the different seasons. Here we are using the Deep Fashion dataset. Here we are using the version 1 of this dataset, which has more than 24K images. First, we are getting the metadata of the images. Then we are extracting the images from the URLs. Now we are segregating the images in different categories. We can see that there are around 46 different categories of outfits that are present in this dataset. The next step, we are converting the images to the embeddings. These embeddings are again based on the categories of the outfits. And then we are plotting some example outfits of some of the categories of the clothes. Now we are training our model using transfer learning technique. We are using the ResNet 18, which is a CNN architecture model for training. We have found the top 5 accuracies for this particular model and then considered the accuracy, which is the highest out of them. Now we are evaluating the model, and for the evaluation, we are simply doing the classification of the clothes into their particular categories. The result shows us that the predicted and actual values are exactly the same. So there is zero loss, and the accuracy of the classification that has emerged from this model is 100%. Now, we are just loading the model we have just trained and using the fast AI hooks to retrieve the image embeddings that we had done in the previous step. Here we are using the feature extraction technique. Now, after loading the model, we are doing the prediction on the images of the outfits. Now, we are using the approximate nearest neighbors technique, that is an algorithm to obtain the most similar images. Here we are using the centroid detection technique that comes under the approximate nearest neighbor algorithm. Now, we are creating small data sets of the 4 different seasons that we are using in this program, that is spring, summer, autumn and winter. Then we are passing these small data sets to our model just for the experimentation purpose. And now we can see the similar recommendations that have been made by the model for the different seasons. Here, these are the recommendations that have come for the spring season. These recommendations that we can see are a blend of outfit recommendations for both winter and spring seasons. After this, the third is again the blend of winter and spring seasons. Lastly, we can also see some recommendations that are based on autumn and summer. These recommendations are for the outfits that the people can wear in summer and autumn season. So this was a demo of our project Pocket Fashionista. Thank you.